This is my sheeppan hot honey garlic chicken. You guys, it is so good. It's kind of like buffalo chicken and hot honey chicken combined. So you want to season up the chicken, toss it with a little bit of olive oil, then you toss some zucchini, a little olive oil, salt, and pepper, roast it all up in the oven until that chicken is nice and crispy. Then you want to make the hot honey sauce. It is honey, a little hot sauce, a little bit of garlic, which is the key here, you guys, and tons of seasonings. That is it. So simple. Everything cooks up on one cheap pan. You want to serve that chicken up over rice with some creamy avocado on the side and your favorite dressing, either ranch or blue cheese, is really good.